Well, the challenge is to make sure that there are no inroads into the territorial waters and the EEZ around Batanes, right? Because this narrative, let's dissect. It's not an official statement, but in a closed society like China, with the 2017 National Security Law of China, any Chinese subject, any academic who makes a statement in China, it becomes a quasi-statement. So this is signaling on their part. No? It's good that it's ridiculous, but maybe to their citizens it might not be, because their citizens have no access to free information. No? So we still have to take all these threats seriously. Not only yung threats nila sa Batanes, but also yung threats nila internally. Katulad nung pagbebenta nila at pagkakartelize nila ng merkado sa bakal, na pagsara natin sa Sanja na nagdudumi sa kapaligiran at gumagawa ng substandard steel at ibinabaha ang merkado sa pangit na bakal para hindi makapasok ang mga lehitimong mga steel producers at hindi tayo makagawa ng steel para sa mga industriya na kailangan natin. No? So, hindi lang dapat tayo bumantay dito sa mga naratibo sa China, hindi ang gawain ng kanilang mga ahente dito. Ang preparations natin ay preparations natin sa buong Pilipinas. Hindi lamang sa West Philippine Sea, kung hindi sa Pacific Ocean boundary natin, at saka kung sa Batanes may claim sila, baka pati Philippine rice. Right? So, binibilisan natin ang ating effort. Kaya nga, hindi ko may overstress ang importansya ng building up our deterrent capabilities at the soonest possible time.